This is the EVGA XR1 Capture Card, and I think it gives the top brands a run for their money. Hi, my name is Rach Darling, and today I'm going to show you the EVGA XR1, a recently released capture card from EVGA, and interestingly, their first product in the line of streaming. EVGA has stepped into the streaming market with their own plug-and-play, fully RGB device that allows you to bring a console, camera, or even another PC to your stream. This device retails for £150 and is available to buy on our website at scan.co.uk. A big thanks to EVGA for sponsoring this video, and if you'd like to win one of these capture cards yourself, then stay tuned until the end for more information. Right, so what is the XR1 and why is it a valuable piece of kit? Well, to start, this capture card is pretty lightweight. You can easily throw it into your backpack to take it to a friend's for a fun co-stream, or you can take it around to events like your EGX and Insomnia Gaming Festivals, when they all come back, that is. Point being, this portable device allows you to connect many HDMI devices like a PlayStation, an Xbox, a Switch, a camera, and a laptop almost instantaneously. It's not a bad looking thing either, and it would easily sit into everybody's setup. I've not seen another device that has a mirrored front with an LED grid behind it. It looks pretty cool. It's completely customizable RGB grid as well that displays audio levels, which is a very clever and useful feature to have. It gives you instant confirmation that audio is being received from your devices. The button on the front is a dial that controls the audio, and it's also directional, like a joystick, up, down, left, right. It all serves a different purpose. I love having an external button on a device like this because sometimes relying solely on software to do its job is a little bit daunting, so having external control on the hardware is always a plus for a capture card. Let's talk a bit more about its connectivity. So, on the box, it boasts a 4K pass-through mode and record at 1080p 60fps. Now what gets a lot of people confused is the 4K tag. This is just a pass-through mode, but it will not allow you to record or stream at 4K. What it means is that it allows you to view your game or device at 4K while simultaneously streaming 1080p footage without needing to step down your display as a hindrance to your experience. The industry standard for streaming services is 1080 60. Not many other streaming platforms allow you to stream higher than this anyway, but if you did want to capture footage at 4K for whatever reason, then this is something to keep in mind. It's a cool little feature because it allows you to enjoy your side of gaming while downscaling for the stream requirements without forcing you to play at 1080p. It also has an advanced pass-through mode that allows you to switch to 120fps and HDR. But keep in mind that the capture feature is actually disabled when using this mode, so it's only for those times where you're offline or not recording and you simply just want to play your game at its full potential. It's enabled by a click of the button too, so it's really easy to switch it on and off again. It's also got an inbuilt audio mixer. So you can plug in your headphones into this device using the aux input, your HDMI device, and the USB Type-C input into your PC. Then you can control your mic in volume with control, saving you tabbing in and out of the streaming software. Also, this product is OBS certified, which means it's been run through extensive testing with the OBS developer team to make sure that this device really is plug and play. There's no fiddling around with the initial setup, it's guaranteed to work, which is a massive time saver. It also doesn't need any drivers installed, so you can plug it in and instantly get streaming with OBS. It doesn't really require much. It's a self-sustaining little product, no external software needed, unless you choose to control and customize the RGB. Then you'll need to download the EVGA XR RGB lighting software. That'll allow you to fully customize the ARGB lighting, but it's definitely not necessary to get up and running with the device. And I think that's what it does really well. It offers quality looking capture without hindering the experience of the user, allowing them to observe 4K from their perspective while keeping to the stream requirements of 1080p 60fps. It's small, portable, lightweight device that just works out of the box. There's no fiddling with software, there's no downloading and installing drivers. It's quick and it offers a few interesting features like the inbuilt audio mixer, for example, which is a crucial element to providing quality sounding stream. EVGA seems to really get what creators need and have combined it into one simple product. It's a very intuitive device that I hope a lot of companies follow in the same footsteps of. If you want to know more about the device, read more in-depth specifications, or buy one for yourself, then we've linked it in the description below for you. If you fancy winning one of these devices, then click the link below and follow the action entries for your chance to win. Be sure to let us know what your thoughts are on the EVGA XR1 in the comments. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Are there any other products that you guys would like it to test and try out? let us know and we can feature it in the next video. Be sure to follow us on socials at ScamProGaming and me at Rage Darling, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!